Caitlin and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my very first YouTube video and a lot of things went wrong. It took forever and I had to use like 3 different programs to edit it, but anyways, it was a lot of fun, so thank you so much for checking this out. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways to crop an old shirt you might have. It's very easy, should take you less than 2 minutes. All you need is a pair of scissors and maybe some tape if you want. So without further ado, let's go. I'm starting off with a shirt I used to wear in middle school, but I don't wear anymore, so it is time to crop it. Alright, so what you want to do is decide where you want to crop your shirt. Take a pair of scissors and cut it right on off, straight across. And then take that piece that you cut off and cut it so that it turns into just one big long strip. And all you have to do is tie it like I did, and that's it. It is so easy. Moving on to a tank top that I wear when I'm running. I like it as it is, but you know, I think it'd be cute as a crop top, so I'm gonna go crop it. So first things first, I'm gonna lay down tape on both sides where I want it to be cropped. I'm gonna fold this like so I can just kind of measure up where the other piece of tape should be. Then on the sides, I'm gonna cut it up until I hit that piece of tape. Doing the same thing on the other side, make sure the other layer isn't underneath. On the back, I'm gonna line it all up with tape like this and then cut off the back. Make sure it's just the back, do not cut the front. Then on the front, I'm gonna put down a piece of tape to measure the center and then take a pair of scissors and cut straight up the center in the front. Then I'm going to form triangles like so, cutting from the center line outwards, and clean up the edges a little. Then peel off all the tape and it should look like this. Then take those ends and tie it together and voila, there we go. The last shirt I want to crop is a shirt that I got at a cross-country meet, but it has always been just a little bit too big. I'm starting off by laying a piece of tape in the center of the shirt where I want to crop it, taking a pair of scissors and cutting up from the sides, kind of forming a triangle, and yes, I'm cutting through both of the layers. Then I'm going to lay it out on a side one at a time like so that I have the triangle in front of me. Take a piece of tape and put it where I want it to cut up to, cut that, and do the same thing with the other side. Then I'm going to remove all the tape and tie both of the sides together and it should look like this.